Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will repairing a netbook, a laptop with model HP Mini, HP Mini. The problem is cannot turn on the charging indicator light on, but when we press the power button, so the charge indicator shut off. Okay, of course we must open the case of this laptop to fix this problem. This kind of issue is usually caused by a problem with the VS line on the motherboard. The VS line is only active after the power button is pressed. So before the laptop is turned on, there are no visible issues. And the charging process also will work normally. However, once the laptop is powered on, the problem appears. The VS line is connected to various components on the motherboard and external components like the Wi-Fi card, hard drive, audio block, network, and all the devices. Therefore, we need to analyze the condition of the motherboard. Remove the hard drive. So when we try to turn on this laptop, the hard drive will more safe. You know that the hard drive will not good if the laptop shut off suddenly. On off. Okay, let's try again. Turn on using the charger only. Step on, press the power button, shut off suddenly. Okay, this is the main board of this laptop. Let's try again. Laptop too wet. So we have checked this motherboard. The condition is the 3.3 volt and 5 volt in the normal condition before we press the power button. But when we press the power button, this both voltage 3 volt and 5 volt has gone. So I think the problem is at the VS lines. And I have tried applying 3 volts to the 5 volt VS line, and as a result both of these capacitor components become hot. We will check which one is damaged. And it turned out to be true. After removing both capacitors, the 5 volt VS line, which was previously detected as shorted, is no longer shorted. Okay, now we have replaced these capacitors with the new one, and after this we will try again to turn on this motherboard. Okay, try to turn on this motherboard. Turn on. Okay, this is working. The cooling fan working well. The power indicator light on. Okay, this is the power indicator light on. Okay, let's try again. Turn on. Black screen. Okay, turn off again. I think the memory not working. The memory I think not working. Try again. Okay, try to replace the RAM with other RAM. Turn on. Turn off. Okay, I think the RAM not working. Try again. Oh, this is working now. So the RAM need to be replaced, or try again to clean all the pins of this RAM. Try again. Oh, still working. Okay, install on the case. Once again. Okay, working well now. Okay, brother, finally you must install all the parts that we have disassembled before. Okay, try again using the hard drive. CMOS reset. Log into the Windows, and because this is alt laptop, alt netbook, so this laptop using Windows 7. And now this laptop working in the normal condition. Okay, brother, sister, thank you for watching until finish. I hope this video will useful. So the problem of this laptop is here is a small component, small SMD capacitor that is working shorted between its pins, and this installed, or this capacitor placed on the VS line, on the 5-volt VS line. So the line when this capacitor installed will working after we press the power button. So when we press the power button, the 5-volt from the ELV line, always on line, will connected to the line that shorted caused by this capacitor. So after we replace this capacitor, this is working well, and now job finished. Thank you, see you again in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.